Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to switch between apps on your Android device. So the way we do this is by opening Task Switcher. The way to open up Task Switcher is dependent upon the navigation system chosen, whether it is gesture method or three button method. If it is gesture method, what we need to do is swipe from bottom to up. And here it is. Task Switcher is opened. So to open one task, to open one app, we can just go to Chrome, for instance, and to go back again, drag from the bottom to the up. And we can select another app like clocks and again drag from the bottom to the up. And we can simply switch from app to app. So the other navigation method is using the three navigation button method. In Android devices, there are these three buttons: the back button, the home button, and the other button, which is usually three lines or just a square box, is the task switcher button. So by tapping on this button, we can go to the apps we want just like before. So for instance, we go to Brave and tap on the square button again, and that opens Task Switcher again. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.